Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have Safari a tap away. Open it now. Once Safari appears, locate the tab bar at the bottom on iPhone or top on Mac. Make sure you're in the window where you want a new page. If privacy matters, switch to private mode first using the tabs button, then private. This avoids storing history. Now look for the plus icon or the file menu. You're ready for the first actionable step to create a new tab. You can add a tab in seconds. On iPhone or iPad, tap the plus sign in the tab view and a new blank tab appears. On Mac, press Command+T or choose File, then New Tab. Once done, you can also open links into a new tab by long pressing a link on touch devices or right-clicking on Mac and selecting Open in New Tab. Make sure to check where the new tab opens, foreground or background, and adjust preferences if you want a different. You're almost done. Manage tabs by closing with the X or swiping away on touch devices, and use Pinch or the Tabs button to see all open tabs. If a new tab won't open, make sure content blockers or extensions aren't blocking pop-ups. Disable them temporarily and try again. If problems persist, restart Safari, clear cache, or reboot the device to reset transient errors. One key troubleshooting tip: update iOS or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.